Welcome to OOP 2013. We're really delighted to see so many visitors. This is the 22nd time that we've hosted OOP. We'll have 1,800 participants on site with around 70 exhibitors and 140 talks over a period of 5 days. We're back at OOP again as in the past few years because OOP means really interesting networking. We get to know so many new people and we meet so many of our previous contacts really often, time and again at OOP. This is why we keep opting in and keep on coming back. We're at OOP because we meet existing customers and prospects who have really innovative and interesting projects. At OOP we meet people who are decision makers on the one hand, but on the other are also really knowledgeable about the technology that's offered and in demand on the market here. Continuous innovation is the topic at this year's OOP, and the fact that there are so many people in the audience is, for me, to some extent, also an indication of how important innovation is to all of us. What influenced your decision to come to OOP? It was recommended by colleagues. Does OOP offer enough content for experienced developers? I think you have everything here. Why don't you just glean expertise on the internet instead of going to a conference? Or to put it differently, what's the advantage of a conference in terms of knowledge procurement networking compared with social media? It's a different type of exchange, and on top of this I'm out of my normal working environment, consciously, and can take 2 or 3 days to focus exclusively on the subject. Whereas you'd normally just read short snippets on the web and then have to somehow relate them to other information in your mind. Yes, we're from CompuWare and we're here at OOP because this is where we find our 2 target groups, that is, software architects and software developers, and also a lot of customers who come to visit our booth here and have very interesting conversations with us on various application performance management issues.
QSM
is at OOP 2013 for the 3rd time. We sponsor the event. We were bronze sponsors for the last 2 years, and now we're silver. And we appreciate OOP because there are so many competent people here, and we've been able to attract a lot of customers. We, that is Intel, are here at OOP to meet our target group of software developers and software architects. And we're very pleased with the response to our new products in Parallel Studio XE. We look forward to seeing you again at OOP 2014, and we already have some of the initial highlights today. The 20th anniversary of Objektspektrum magazine, the 10th anniversary of the IT Stammtisch. We're ready.